Which is the best medical insurance scheme? When a medical insurance is chosen, it is done by keeping one's needs in mind. Here are some medical insurance schemes in India to choose from. The National Health Portal (NHP) lists the following national health insurance schemes. 1. Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana (RSBY). Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana has been launched by Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India to provide health insurance coverage for below poverty line (BPL) families. The objective of RSBY is to provide protection to BPL households from financial liabilities arising out of health shocks that involve hospitalization. Beneficiaries under RSBY are entitled to hospitalization coverage up to Rs. 30,000 for most of the diseases that require hospitalization. Government has even fixed the package rates for the hospitals for a large number of interventions. Pre-existing conditions are covered from day one and there is no age limit. Coverage extends to 5 members of the family, which includes the head of household, spouse and up to 3 dependents. Beneficiaries need to pay only Rs. 30 as registration fee, while central and state government pays the premium to the insurer selected by the state government on the basis of a competitive bidding. 2. Employment State Insurance Scheme (ESIS). Employees State Insurance Scheme of India is a multidimensional social security system tailored to provide socio-economic protection to worker population and their dependents covered under the scheme. Besides full medical care for self and dependents, that is admissible from day one of insurable employment, the insured persons are also entitled to a variety of cash benefits in times of physical distress due to sickness, temporary or permanent disablement, etc., resulting in loss of earning capacity, the confinement in respect of insured women, dependents of insured persons who die in industrial accidents or because of employment injury or occupational hazard are entitled to a monthly pension called the dependents benefit. 3. Central Government Health Scheme (CGHS). The Central Government Health Scheme (CGHS) provides comprehensive health care facilities for the central gov. Employees and pensioners and their dependents residing in CGHS-covered cities. Started in New Delhi in 1954, Central Gov. Health Scheme is now in operation in Allahabad, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Bhopal, Chandigarh, Chennai, Delhi, Dehradun, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Jabalpur, Kanpur, Kolkata, Lucknow, Meerut, Mumbai, Nagpur, Patna, Pune, Ranchi, Shillong, Trivandrum and Jammu. The Central Gov. Health Scheme provides comprehensive healthcare to the CGHS beneficiaries in India. The medical facilities are provided through wellness centers, previously referred to as CGHS dispensaries. 4. AAMA Admi Bima Yojana (AABY). AAMADMI Bima Yojana, a social security scheme for rural landless household, was launched on the 2nd of October 2007. The head of the family or one earning member in the family of such a household is covered under the scheme. The premium of Rs. 200 per person per annum is shared equally by the central government and the state government. The member to be covered should be aged between 18 and 59 years. 5. Janashri Bima Yojana. Janashri Bima Yojana (JBY) was launched on the 10th of August 2000. The scheme replaced Social Security Group Insurance Scheme (SSGIS) and Rural Group Life Insurance Scheme (RGLIS). 45 occupational groups have been covered under this scheme. It provides life insurance protection to people who are below poverty line or marginally above poverty line. Persons between aged 18 years and 59 years and who are the members of the identified 45 occupational groups are eligible to be covered under the scheme. Note: AAM Admi Bima Yojana and Janashri Bima Yojana have been merged into one scheme. It is renamed as AAM Admi Bima Yojana, effective from 01/01/2013. 6. Universal Health Insurance Scheme (UHIS). The 4 public sector general insurance companies have been implementing Universal Health Insurance Scheme for improving the access of health care to poor families. The scheme provides for reimbursement of medical expenses up to Rs. 30,000 towards hospitalization floated amongst the entire family, death cover due to an accident at Rs. $25,000 to the earning head of the family and compensation due to loss of earning of the earning member at Rs. 50 per day up to maximum of 15 days. The Universal Health Insurance Scheme (UHIS) has been redesigned targeting only the BPL families. The premium subsidy has been enhanced from Rs. 100 to Rs. 200 for an individual, Rs. 300 for a family of 5 and Rs. 400 for a family of 7, without any reduction in benefits. It's different for everyone. Here are a few steps you should follow. 1. Do you care about a specific doctor being in the network? If yes, then you should check the insurer's website to see if they are in network for that plan, or call the doctor's office to check. 2. Do you care about a certain drug being covered? If yes, find out if it is on their formulary, a listing of drugs that are covered at lower cost sharing to you. 3. Do you care about referrals to specialists? Generally, HMOs have referrals, but the trend has been to remove referrals from most products. Beyond those questions, do you expect to have a lot of claims e.g. birth of a child, or are you generally risk-averse? If so, you should get a plan that's more expensive up front because it will likely have lower cost sharing if you have a lot of claims. Bottom line, smart people have determined the price of the products consistent with the benefits offered. Don't spend any time trying to guess which one may be a deal. Just go through the 3 big picture questions above, then pick a plan that meets those criteria and leaves you with a comfortable amount of financial risk if you get sick.